What's up, Boss Fam? It's your boy DJ The Boss, and I'm back again with another one. Feeling real good today, man. Shout out to Taylor Brands for sponsoring this video, being our first sponsor. Super dope to have you guys on board. More on Taylor Brands in a second. But today I want to talk to you guys about one of the things that I noticed I get from a lot of aspiring cleaning business owners that pretty much lets me know that they're going to fail, that they're not going to do anything right out of the gate. So I want to talk about what I feel can be done to avoid that, making that mistake. And also I want to give you guys really dope bonus tip at the very end of the video that's going to help you guys close a lot more deals and make that conversion rate go up through the roof. I'm telling you, it did numbers for me, and I've been able to close some of the biggest deals of my life using this. Most of these things are free. Stick around. I love you guys. Thanks for being here, man. We are running the numbers up. The channel is monetized now. We're getting sponsors. I mean, we're going crazy. I love this community is because you guys are dope. And some of you guys have been with me since I was just documenting the journey of, building this cleaning business. And now we've transitioned into something new where I'm helping a lot of other people, and it's dope. It makes me feel dope. I'm gonna help you guys figure out how to get over, one of these major mistakes and major mental ways of thinking that I think are holding a lot of people back, how to get over that, and also the bonus tip at the end of the video. So if you're interested in that, then stick around.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing. Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days.
One of the main things I hear people say when they approach me or when they reach out to me via email or in the comments or on my Instagram is, hey DJ, I'm gonna start my cleaning business after the new year. I'm gonna start my cleaning business in a couple months. Or I'm gonna start my cleaning business after my next paycheck. And right there, that lets me know that you are not mentally where you need to be in business. The name of the game in business is speed. If you're moving slow, you are dead, especially if you're a small company. You can't afford to move slow. The big companies, the big whale companies, they can afford to move slow. We don't have that luxury. We have to move fast, and we have to be able to adjust, and we have to be able to get things done immediately, make changes immediately. Otherwise, we're dead in the water, dead before you even start. So all of that comes off to me as an excuse, as you have some type of excuse for not getting started. And there's really no excuse for getting started, especially in 2023. We have, social media is free. We have AI technology. If the only thing you did with AI technology was make a bunch of cartoon pictures of yourself, I'm disappointed in you. I mean, I'm not judging. I did it too. Here's mine. I made a couple of the pictures, but know that AI technology is here with us, and you can do a lot more than make anime cartoons of yourself. So keep that in mind. But anyway, all of that stuff comes off as an excuse to me when you say, I'm going to get started. I'm going to get this, things that you can do today for free to get started. So one of my first tips is decide that you're going to do this and do it now. If you decide that you're going to be in business and this is the way, then get started. And if you're thinking that business is the way that's going to rescue you, is going to save you or bring you to generational wealth, then why are you waiting? What are you waiting for? What do you think is going to happen? Do you think it's going to be better to get started sooner or later? The answer is obvious. And there has to be a fear of failure, which if you have a fear of failure, you're definitely also not going to make it as well, because you're going to fail a number of times. I can't even count the number of failures you're going to have in business, but the successes are worth it. Remember that the successes in business are so much bigger than successes anywhere else. I mean, aside from your personal life and your family life, successes in business change your life. When you have success in business, things move drastically and change drastically for the better when things go well. So it's worth learning and failing and trying and failing again to figure it out. For that one time you figure it out, and then you can keep going with that and build on that. Get rid of that I'm going to get started. I'm starting after the New Year's. Don't wait till after the New Year's. Get started now. Social is free. Social media is free. Go and occupy your name on these spaces, on these places where human beings are spending their time. Go and create your TikTok for your business, your Instagram for your Facebook, your LinkedIn, your YouTube. Go and occupy your name in all of these spaces. Get started. That's a free thing to do. You don't have to wait for your paycheck to get that done. You don't have to wait until whatever to get that done. You know how to create these platforms. We're on one right now. So go and create one for your business and get started. Tip number 2 is get legal, get an LLC. You need an LLC. Why do you need an LLC? One, it's gonna make you a little bit more trustworthy to customers. It's gonna make customers a lot more likely to trust you when they see that your business name and LLC or S Corp or whichever way you go. I'm gonna recommend LLC if you're just getting started. But if you're just starting out, get you an LLC. You need an LLC that it's gonna really help your trustworthiness as you're trying to get customers. Trust me, you want that veil of separation between you and your business. Is a great thing. Not only that, business banking, but how else are you gonna apply for funding? You think people are cutting, grants and business loans to just people? No, you need a business. So that means you need to go and register your business as an LLC, which brings us to today's sponsor, Taylor Brands. Shout out to Taylor Brands. Taylor Brands is a dope platform. It's actually an AI-driven platform that's a one-stop shop for aspiring small business owners. You can do everything you need to get your business started through Taylor Brands. Number one thing being register your LLC, and they've made it super easy. As you go through the platform, it's actually kind of fun. It almost looks like a game. They've made it extremely fun and extremely simple and intuitive to get through registering your business as an LLC. It doesn't matter what state you're in, what state you're registering a business for. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and it's incredibly easy. But Taylor Brands has a slew of products. It's everything you need. I mean, from business documents to logo design to web design, business email, domain registration. I mean, they have everything you need to get your business started. So Taylor Brands is a great place to go and get yourself registered as an LLC. Being an LLC is going to be one of the best things you can do for your business. Once you've separated your personal from your business, you'll be able to do a lot more. You'll be more likely to come off as trustworthy to your potential customers. It's a great place to start, especially if you're working a 9-to-5 already. Then you may not have as much time as other people to go and try to figure out how to do it the long ways. So Taylor Brands is a great thing to use so that you can go and get this done super quick, super easy. And then check out some of the other products they have, like logo design and brand kits and things like that. It's really dope, AI-driven platform. So check out Taylor Brands. Again, thank you for sponsoring this video. Lastly, I want to get to this tip. After you've used Taylor Brands and after you've got your logo and your websites up and you've occupied your space on all the socials and you've decided that you're going to go ahead and do this, once you're set up in all the right places, you should start to get some traffic, and you should start to get people interested in doing business with you as you start to, of course, ask for sales and introduce your business to people as well. It's not all marketing. There is some sales involved in business. But as you're doing your sales and as you're doing your marketing, you're going to start to get some yeses and some people to say, hey, well, I want to see what you have to offer. And this is where this secret bonus tip comes in. We've talked about paperwork before and writing contracts and including things that you want in your contract and setting your contract up to be the way that you want it and have businesses do business your way. That's still a factor, so we're still going to do that. If you haven't got a proposal or an estimate type paperwork yet, go ahead and find a template online, fill that out, customize it to your business, and you want to include that along with a proposal presentation. So here's the difference in what I'm saying. Your proposal is going to be the actual, contract, the thing that they sign, or the estimate or quote, or whatever you're going to give them, or the contract, whatever you want to call it, or whatever you're going to label this document, this official document that's going to tie them to doing business with you. So you want to have that as a PDF. You also want to have a presentation document. One of the ways you can create one is by using Canva. Canva's not sponsoring this video, or they don't give me any money, or I don't even have an affiliate link for Canva, but it's a great tool to use for their proposal templates. So go to Canva, check out their proposal templates, and it'll show you a way to organize this information for your proposal to your potential client. And you can include pictures, you can have it color branded, and I think this will really set you apart from other people submitting proposals, because not only will you have their boring legal document, but you'll be able to put it in a way that looks readable, that's more digestible, that's more enjoyable to take in than, say, just some black and white PDF. This one, it has your company pictures on it, your colors, your branding. Maybe I'll try to make a template one that, the one that I use. Maybe I'll try to template it out and make a download for you guys or something in exchange for your email. Let me know if that's something you guys want down in the comments. Let me know and I'll make it happen. In other news, things have been great around here if you guys are interested. Business has been going great. We always at least double business for some reason around November, and it seems like that trend is continuing for this year. I think the only year we didn't double business during this fourth quarter, October, November, December, was 2020. Where we actually went backwards, but that's it was COVID year, everyone went backwards. But we're doing great business this year, things are going great. It's freezing cold here in Seattle. I don't know if you guys watch the news or if any of you are in Washington, but there's ice everywhere. Everything is frozen. My car was completely frozen solid this morning, so it's been a pain in the ass dealing with everything today. So getting around is terrible. Getting back and forth to locations is terrible. Actually, we went out to Monroe to a location last night, and they left a lockbox for us to get into the location. Of course, the lockbox was completely frozen, so we're not able to do that. But it's been dope around here. Things are moving along. I'm super busy, which is why it's taking me long to get videos out. You guys know how that goes. So I'm a little slow to the comments, but I'm still replying to every single comment. So if you have a question, please leave it down below in the comments. Also, if you guys want to reach out to me and talk to me personally, you want to talk to me one-on-one, you can book time on my schedule. Use the promo code Boss Family. It'll get your percentage off of booking time on my schedule. It is through Nine Media where I do my consulting. It is paid, but it's the only way to guarantee you get a one-on-one time with me. I don't try to sell you guys anything, but a lot of people are asking me if they can still speak with me one-on-one. And a lot of you have started even calling my businesses, and you've got my office managers freaking out like, you have a YouTube channel? I'm like, my bad. So yeah, don't call my business. I don't work at the front office. I don't work answering the phones. I'm the CEO, dude. So don't call my business thinking that you're gonna reach out to me. It's not gonna happen. The most they'll do is forward me an email, in which case it's probably gonna automatically forward you to my schedule where you'll have to do the exact same thing. So reach out to me in the comments, reach out to me on Instagram. Book time on my schedule if you want an actual time where I'm dedicated to sit down with you and go through your problems in your business and we figure out a solution for you. That's if you guys want to reach me. Again, aside from all that stuff, I don't try to sell you guys much. I just want to build a community of like-minded people where we all are trying to learn and figure out business and grow our businesses together. That's what the Boss Family is all about, man. I appreciate you guys for being here. Big shout out to Taylor Brands for sponsoring this video. Y'all go check out Taylor Brands in the first link in the description and the first link in the comments. Go check them out. It's an incredible platform, especially if you're super busy. It's gonna save you time on getting your business started. With business documents, getting registered as an LLC, even if you need logo design, trademarking, business emails, web domains, you can get all of that stuff through Taylor Brands. It's a dope sponsor. I'm glad they're working with the channel. So again, shout out to Taylor Brands. Go check them out in the link below. That's the video. I hope y'all guys got some value out of it for today. I love y'all. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.